Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you the natural benefits of healthcare at home. StretchMarks Remedy. Apply cocoa butter or olive oil onto your body to reduce stretch marks. Your diet should contain plenty of protein and food enriched with vitamin C and vitamin E to maintain good tissue growth. Cracked heels. Glycerin, lemon juice and rose water once mixed can be applied to feet before going to bed. Cover with socks and leave on until the next morning. Repeat daily for best results. Prevent hair fall. Make homemade oil by boiling henna and neem leaves in mustard oil until the neem leaves almost get dissolved. Let it cool and then filter. Apply it to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off. Drinking coconut oil also helps prevent hair loss. Teeth whitening treatment. Mix salt and lemon together and apply it onto your teeth. Leave it on for 5 minutes. This will help get rid of the tartar and make your teeth shine. The white part of an orange peel, if rubbed onto teeth, is also effective for a healthy white shine. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.